Hey guys, it's Francis. Welcome back to my channel. I have a haul for you guys today. It's from a few different stores, very random. Got Ross, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, and Dollar Tree. I did get some stuff from Marshall's, but I don't know if I'm going to show you that because it's not really planner related, but we'll see. And this actually is not from any of those stores. This is what I'm going to start off with. This I actually got from BJ's for $5. Maybe it was like $5.99. And I actually got this a while ago, but I thought it was a really good deal. It was, I think, originally $10 at BJ's, and then they marked it down to $5.99. And this is all what it comes with. Like, it has like a little, I guess, instruction book. It comes with 2 of these pencils, ideal for creating easily erasable initial layouts. And this is for well suited for heavy outlines. So that's what the difference is. And then it comes with this big marker. I think this is double-sided. I just put lotion on because I didn't want to be ashy for the video. And of course now I can't open it. Okay. So that's one side. Ew, now my hands look greasy. And this is the other side. Ugh, of course. So that's one. And I kind of wish I would have gotten more. I didn't think about it till after the fact. I was like, oh, I should have gotten another one and put it in a giveaway. And I completely forgot. And this BJ's is like not near my house, so I haven't been back, so I don't even know if they still have it or not. I might try going sometime this week and seeing if they still have some. But yeah, I thought this was a really good deal. So that's from BJ's. All right, next we have Ross. So I found both of these at the same Ross, and these are these remind me of like the Tombow dual tip markers, and I've wanted to get Tombow markers for a while. I just haven't because my hand lettering sucks, and I'm like, am I really gonna spend $20 on markers that I'm probably not going to use because I can't hand letter? So when I saw these, I was like, oh, well, these might be a good alternative just to practice in. And these were $5.99, and I went on Amazon, and I think these also sell for $20. So I thought this was a really good price. And I think they also sell this brand at Hobby Lobby. So I thought that was a really good deal. Ross sometimes has really good prices on like stationery craft stuff. Like my sister bought some Prismacolor colored pencils, and she got those are normally like $30 in the store. She got them for like $7. So Ross is low-key the plug. So you guys have to check out the stationery aisle every time you guys go so that you don't miss good deals like this. So I'm kind of excited to use this. We'll see how that works out. All right, the other thing I got from Ross, I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys. It's not like stationery or anything, but I have it right here, so I thought I'd show you guys anyway. This is a mug that I bought for my office manager. I'm going to give like my coworkers just like a little gift for Mother's Day. And this was something that I picked up for her. And if you watch Mean Girls, or if you've seen Mean Girls, you know where this is from. So, yeah, there's a scene where she's like, I'm not like a regular mom. I'm a cool mom. And I just kind of, like, this just kind of reminds me of my office manager because she's so, like, young and trendy. So I thought that this mug would be perfect for her. So I did get this at Ross. All right, also for, like, the Mother's Day gift, I'm going to go into Dollar Tree. Because I did buy them some things from there. So I picked up some pens. I don't think these are new. Like, I know I've seen these for a while. I know these have been out for a while too. I got these, like something similar to these a while ago. This one is kind of like rose gold. I don't even know. Is that silver? Like, I know the ones that I had, they were silver, but this doesn't look like it looks like it's like has like a tint of rose gold to it. So I found one of these, and I had gave my office manager one that I had because she had like the other gem pin that I had, but I couldn't find any more of those at the store. And then I know my other coworker liked the pin that she had, so I was like, okay, well, I'm gonna get this one for my other coworker, and then I'll give like this one to my office manager and this one to my other coworker. So I know that was a very long-winded explanation, but yeah, I decided I'm going to put these in their bags. And then I also just picked up some, what are these called? List pads. So I don't know, I just thought since I'm giving them a pen, I would give them one of these. So these are the ones that I picked out. They did have other ones. I didn't really care for them. There was another one that I really liked, but all of them had like stains on it. It was really weird, and it was on the paper. It wasn't on the plastic, so I ended up not getting it. So these are the ones I ultimately went with, and these are, what are these? Okay, so these are donuts, and then yeah. So yeah, that's gonna go in their bag. I also picked up these bags. I thought this was perfect because it's 3 of them, and these are 3 bags. So I figured I'm going to put their little gifts in here, and hopefully it's enough space. I think it'll be enough room. But yeah, I like the foiling on this and the flowers. I thought these were really cute. I also ended up picking up another gift bag. It's no one's birthday. Well, actually, there is a few birthdays coming up, but I actually bought this because I liked like the foiling and glitter on this, and I thought this would be really cute in like my memory planner if I did a birthday spread or something. So yeah, I know you guys are probably like, girl, you are never gonna do that, but in case I do it, I want to have it ready, you know? All right, next, this is something that I actually found a couple weeks ago. I had seen these at a different Dollar Tree, and I was like, oh, I could use these for my pens or my planner stuff. I mean, they had these in like the, what section would you call it? Like the shower section, I guess. So I'm guessing it's supposed to be to put like your travel, like conditioner, your travel shampoo and conditioner bottles and all of that. But when I saw this, I figured this would be better for my pens or even like nail polishes. I know that's really bad, just like anything to store it in. So I got one of these, and then I had just bought one, and I came home and I tested it out and I really liked it. And then I went back to get more, and they only had one more left. So I only have 2 right now. The Dollar Tree that I went to today didn't have any, so I'm gonna have to find another Dollar Tree and hope that they have it. But this is kind of like what I'm talking about. I love like how compact, why am I saying it like that? How compact it is. Like, as you can see, I have my Erin Condren planner in here, as well as a sticker book and some pins. So I think this is like perfect. I do have a planner bag, but I feel like when I don't want to take that entire big thing, this is perfect just to stick in like an overnight bag, or, you know, just even my purse. Like, I feel like this would fit in my purse. So I just love the size of this. I'm so upset that I couldn't find more. I don't know. I definitely recommend. This is my Erin Condren, by the way. I don't think I've ever showed you guys. I got this at Marshall's a while ago for $6.99. I haven't taken it off because I always said I was going to do a video on it, and I haven't. But yeah. And it also has these pockets right here. So, all right, next. Oh, I just realized my mic thing is all in the way. Okay, hopefully that's better. All right, so next I went to Michael's, and I didn't pick up a lot of things from there. These are just a few clearance items that I found. So these are the first things. They're ephemera or die cuts, and it's by Illustrated Faith, and I got these for $1.77. So I like buying these die cuts for, you know, whenever I actually do my memory planner. I know you guys are going to get so tired of me hearing you talk about this memory planner that still has yet to, you know, you still have yet to see a spread on it. But I really like these. I liked the colors, and I thought this was a really good price for everything that you get. And these are the next ones. I know I usually like taking them out and actually showing them to you guys, but it's really late right now, and I kind of just want to get through this video. But yeah, you can kind of see I really like the bright colors. All right, and then next, so I feel like I had seen these on Instagram and people talking about them, but I never really paid any attention to them, and I hadn't really been to Michael's in a long time. So I saw these, and really what caught my eye was that it said $1.77 clearance. I was like, what? So I looked, and this was the only one that was on clearance, but I picked up two because I want to do a giveaway sometime soon, so I'm gonna add one to the giveaway. But this is the sticker book, and it comes with how many pages? Maybe 7. Oh, 7. I might have counted that wrong. But yeah, most of them I think are $5, but this one for some reason was on sale for $1.77. So I will flip through it for you guys really quickly. Let me see if I can zoom in. Okay. And that's that. All right, and the last things that I got were from Hobby Lobby. I didn't get a lot, but there was one thing that I gave into, so I'll start with that one first. It was this Happy Notes half sheet notebook, I guess. So I was never planning on getting one of these. Like when they came out, I was like, I don't really need that, you know. But then, you know, this Hobonichi trend just kind of like took over. I mean, I know Hobonichi has always been a thing, but I feel like I've been seeing more and more Hobonichi things. And then I saw people doing the Phobonichi with the Happy Planner. I was like, do I want to jump on that train? So I decided I am going to jump on that train just to try it out. So I picked this up, and I actually used a 40% coupon, so it came out to $6. It's so funny. I was having a whole conversation with myself at Hobby Lobby because I was like, oh, well, I should just buy the rings and make my own, like with my scrapbook paper, since I have so much. I should just buy the rings and the grid paper, and it'll be cheaper than getting this. But then I did the math, and I was like, it's not going to be cheaper. The rings cost like $5, and the grid paper costs another $5. So it's actually cheaper to get this because I could use a coupon on it. So I was having this whole conversation with myself. But anyway, the only thing about this is that I will have to get different paper for this. I probably should have picked up the grid paper. I did not think about that. I do have some grid paper, but it's blue. But this is basically what it looks like. I'm sure you guys have seen this already. It's just a whole bunch of note pages. I think I am just going to start off using the grid paper that I already have, even though it's colored grid paper, only because I don't want to buy the other grid paper and then end up not using it, and then I have all these sheets of random grid paper. So I'm gonna try that first and see how it goes. But if you know me, you know I'll probably end up buying the grid paper anyway. All right, and then the last two things that I got, I'll show you this. So I picked this up. These are like, it says they're metal stickers. So I actually got these for one of my coworkers for her Mother's Day bag. She's really into, I don't want to say bedazzling, but like bedazzling. Like she made me a phone case that had like rhinestones and like little embellishment things like this. So yeah, I just thought this would be cute to put in her bag since I know she likes these for her little designs that she does. And then this is the last thing that I got. This is a sticker book. I had never seen, I know they have multiple sticker books by the Paper Studio like this, but I had never seen this one. And it's probably been out for a while, but I have not been to Hobby Lobby either. I hadn't really been into craft stores like that. So I picked this one up. It was 50% off, like the Paper Studio stuff was 50% off. So that's why I decided to grab it. And it was the last one. So, you know, I had FOMO, but I'll flip through that really quickly. And that's it. Funny story, when I had flipped through this originally, I was like, what the hell is this? I was like, I have no idea what that is. And then I realized it's supposed to be sushi. I don't eat sushi like that, so yeah, don't come for me. But I was just like, what is that? All right, you guys, that is it for my haul. I felt like I sped through this, and now that I'm looking at the time, I'm like, dang, I'm already 20 minutes in. So I guess I would say thanks for watching this quick haul, but thanks for watching this long haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.